Alright, question of the day by Noah. Should melons only be eaten on an empty stomach or can it be eaten for lunch? That's a really good question, and I would say there's no right or wrong answer to that. I think it's individual for everyone depending on where they're at. For me personally, I just love having melon for breakfast. That's why it's usually the time when I have it. But if you've maybe seen my latest What I Eat in a Day video, there I had figs and what else did I have? And something else before the melon, but I had like a longer bike ride and a power nap and some time for digestion in between, so it was enough time for the other food to go through. But if you only have 2 or 3 hours in between your meals, then I personally would probably rather have the melon as for breakfast and then have the other stuff. But ultimately, I would say it's individual for every person. I know people having melon for dinner before their salad, and they have no problem whatsoever with it. So I would say just try it out and see how you feel on melon for breakfast versus melon for lunch. And if you feel great, then keep doing it. Hope that helps. And if you have any questions, then feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it in my next What I Eat in a Day video. Oh yeah, and one more thing I wanted to say is that, of course, melon is one of the easiest to digest foods. Probably like juices are a little bit easier to digest on top of that, but it is one of the easiest and quickest to digest foods. So generally speaking, especially if you have digestive issues, if you're struggling with bloating, then you always want to have melon as the first thing. But generally, I would also recommend always having melon on its own, because that's just how it digests the absolute best. Some people like to combine it with citrus. I think that's, like, in terms of food combining, also a good idea. I personally don't really like the combination as much. I just prefer eating my melon on its own. So I'm gonna have this now. And yeah, so just to let you know that, the science and the technical stuff behind it, yeah, definitely it does make sense to eat it on its own, to eat it as the first thing before eating something that maybe takes a little bit longer to digest. I already had the other half yesterday. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this on my balcony. So sweet and so crunchy. All done. Okay, I just have like a little visitor in my house. He just flew in through the window and he's just chilling up there. So cute. And of course, I supplement B12. I just use a very clean liquid supplement with drops, and I take 1 drop a day to keep the doctor away. Just kidding. And it's also good if you put it under your tongue, and that way it's very easy for your body to absorb the B12. I just got my blood test done a little while ago, and my B12 levels are really, really great. I have been deficient before I started supplementing, which can be very dangerous. And yeah, so for me personally, what I've researched, the liquid supplements are easier for the body to absorb than if you take like the capsules or the pills. So yeah, that's what I use. It's also the cheapest. So 2 flies with 1 thing is what you say in Germany, or 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah, 2 birds with 1 stone. I don't know. city running some errands, and I bought some things at the supermarket for only €3. I got 5 figs, or less than €3, €2 something. So, good price. I just made a little smoothie bowl with 5 bananas and some frozen raspberries. Alright, I just made dinner. I steamed up some locally grown zucchini, spinach, and tomatoes. And I'm serving it with a big bowl of lentils. Yummy! Let's take a look at the daily totals. We have 2,057 calories. More than 70 grams of protein, which is way more than we need. Other than that, pretty much all the nutrients are hit. The B12 I supplemented. The sodium, I don't know why it says you need so much sodium, but 200 milligrams is definitely more than enough. And then, yeah, the other ones like selenium, calcium, vitamin E are probably gonna average itself out over the course of time, since I'm always having different fruits and veggies. And then also omega-3 is looking really, really good. The reason that is because fruits and vegetables naturally contain a lot of omega-3. So when you eat a plant-based diet high in fruits and vegetables, you don't actually need to worry about omega-3 because you already get a ton of that in just through the vegetables. As you can see, like I don't have any flax seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds in here, and I'm still getting more than enough omega-3. And also no cholesterol, no trans fats, lots of fiber. And also here, all of the targets are hit. So all in all, I would say, nutritionally wise, looks like a pretty good day. I'm super satiated today. I went for a little bike ride to watch the sunset and, don't have any hunger. Still dropping about 1/4 pound a week at the moment. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more What I Eat in a Day videos, then definitely make sure to check out the What I Eat in a Day playlist. And for more fancy recipes, check out the Flat Tummy Feast cookbook for free in the link in the description box.